Are you fed up with soup splatters every time you reheat leftovers? Worried your microwave is out to get you? Don't panic. Here's the fix. Grab your soup or leftovers, pop them into a microwave-safe bowl, and here's the secret. Place a metal spoon right on top. Just make sure the spoon isn't touching the sides of the bowl. What's the magic? The spoon helps spread the heat, so your food warms up evenly. No more random eruptions or crusty microwave messes. It's quick, easy, and honestly, a total game changer. Next time you're zapping leftovers, remember the spoon. Like and subscribe for more kitchen hacks. Your microwave and your cleaning sponge will thank you.